make this quick video to show you how you can measure the performance of your search engine optimization campaigns using Google Analytics, despite the fact that you may have heard that Google is now going to be encrypting the keyword data that it used to be provided in Google Analytics. So what does that mean? That means that when you're in Google Analytics, you would go to the acquisition reports previously, you would look at the organic traffic reports, and you would be able to see these specific keywords were what drove people to a particular website. So this is my website we're looking at, so you can already see 329 visits over this date range. 314 of them right here are not provided. That means that all that data, 314 visits out of 329 visits, this data is being obscured by Google. So that presents a new dynamic for someone who's measuring SEO. So what do? Well, you change the primary dimension of this report to landing page, and you see the same data, but you see it organized by landing page. So now I know which landing pages are attracting the most traffic. And it's still a part of this organic report, so this is all SEO data. I know which pages of a website are driving the most results from Google, Yahoo, Bing, and even other search engines. That is phenomenal information for SEOs to use to analyze. And you can see, when I go back and change the primary dimension back to keyword, there are only 14 keywords that I can look at to get information. However, change it, same report to landing page, and you can see there are 55 landing pages that are attracting traffic from search engines. Now, each of these landing pages is optimized for one category of keywords, one subject area. And so we know that tells us something about the traffic that's coming to the site. So if we're optimizing pages on your site for, if there are 5 or 6 topics that you want to be the leading authority on, then we're going to be creating pages on your site that hit those keywords and those subject areas. And a big way to measure traffic, or to measure success, is to look at this old organic report and change the primary dimension from keyword, which is going to be less and less useful moving forward, change it to something like landing page, and then you can still see how successfully you are targeting these topics in SEO. So that is one way right off the bat that you can still use Google Analytics to track the results and performance of SEO. There are also these other reports here which still provide good keyword data for a website. There are some things you need to know before you use the search engine optimization reports, because they're not it's more generalized information. They're just some differences between the queries here and the keywords here, and the same with the landing pages here and landing pages that we looked at a moment ago. But again, these reports here, the reports I walked through here, they will show you how to measure the true value of your SEO program and whether or not it's succeeding over time. I hope that's helpful, and if you have any questions about how to use Google Analytics to measure performance of your site, whether it's about SEO or other areas, I hope you'll get in touch with me.